Join me as I dive into the science behind why our fingers wrinkle in water. And I'm going to put it to the test to see if I can make it happen on command. Have you ever noticed how your fingers magically transform into pruny, wrinkly digits after a prolonged soak in the tub or a shower? It's as if they're trying to communicate some sort of biological distress signal to the world outside. And yet, despite its familiarity, the phenomenon of wrinkled fingers remains a fascinating enigma, one that has sparked the curiosity of scientists and regular folks alike. We've all experienced it. Fingers that look like they've been put through a wash cycle, complete with deep creases and a decidedly aged appearance. But have you ever stopped to ask why this happens? Is it some sort of evolutionary quirk, a freak of nature? Or is there a hidden logic behind this bizarre transformation? And what's more, is it just a cosmetic issue? Or does it serve some deeper biological purpose? We've all been there, wondering what's behind this quirky phenomenon. Do our fingers somehow breathe in water? And does this have something to do with the way our skin responds to moisture? Or is it all just a big mystery, a quirk of human biology that we'll never fully understand? The questions swirl, but today, we're going to get to the bottom of this wrinkly enigma. Let's start by diving into the fascinating world of the autonomic nervous system. The part of our nervous system that controls all the involuntary actions our body takes, from heart rate and breathing to digestion, and, yes, even blood vessel constriction. It's this very system that's responsible for the curious case of the wrinkling fingers. When our skin detects the presence of water, it sends a signal to the autonomic nervous system, which in turn constricts the blood vessels near the surface of the skin. This reduced blood flow causes the skin to shrink and pucker, resulting in those signature wrinkles we're all so familiar with. But here's the really interesting part. This mechanism is not just some random quirk. It's an adaptive response that's been hardwired into our biology. You see, when our ancestors had to forage for food in wet environments, those wrinkled fingers actually provided a crucial advantage. They improved grip, allowing early humans to grasp onto slippery surfaces and avoid falling. In fact, a study published in the journal Biology Letters found that wrinkled fingers do indeed improve our grip in wet conditions, giving us a better chance of survival in those ancient environments. Talk about a surprising twist on an old phenomenon. So, the next time you emerge from a long soak in the tub, take a closer look at those wrinkled fingers of yours. They're not just a quirky side effect of water immersion, but a testament to the ingenuity of human biology. In today's video, we've explored the mysterious world of wrinkled fingers, from the autonomic nervous system to the surprising advantages they bring in wet conditions. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown. And if you've got any personal anecdotes about your own wrinkly fingers, be sure to share them in the comments below. If you're curious about more mind-blowing facts about human biology, be sure to check out our video on the weird and wonderful world of sweat glands. It's a real eye-opener.
If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Timeless Learning. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Keep learning, keep growing, because knowledge is timeless.